Yo, what up, you guys? Your boy Loso here. So basically, last week or yesterday, I finished that Tesla, and this is the same week. So I'm wrapping 2 cars in 1 week. We're gonna finish this one on Sunday. This was a dealership car. We already took off the mirrors. I was trying to see videos on how to remove this, but there's literally nothing because it's kind of hard to get in there. But we're gonna figure it out, and I'm still gonna freaking get it done. There's no excuses. You just gotta figure it out. So I'm gonna do that. Anyways, I am feeling a little bit better. Last video when I was recording this one, I was getting a little bit sick, but now I feel way better. Right now, I already clay barred everything and whatever, because it was wrapped before like a green chrome, and it left some glue things. I put wrap on top. You can't see any of the imperfections, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. The dealership didn't care. Look. Yeah, so this car is already beat. So, check out this. Boom, imperfection there. Boom. I just gotta be careful with everything. Basically, I document everything as well, just so. Fading right there. What else? There was a scratch somewhere. I think I took it off, it buffed out, but yeah, there is some yellowing on this side. Like a 2013 or 15, 2015, I think, so I'll check it out later. So we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna start cutting everything, laying down the wrap. I'm gonna put the GoPro or tripod up. My bad if I sound out of breath. Fucking, I still feeling a little bit sick, so I'm just gonna knock this out.